So I've now got my computer roughly back where I want it to go, but it's a little bit small. If we zoom out, you can see that is a small little monitor, and actually we want something that's a bit bigger. So final bit we're going to do is play around with this tool here, which is the scale tool. So what that does is, quite simply, it makes things bigger or smaller. So if you click one of the corners, then everything gets scaled in proportion. If you click one of the inside bits, then all of a sudden we get the most ridiculous looking screen. So if you ever get that, I always press escape, which is normally top left on your keyboard. So trying to get one of these corners, and all I'm going to do is just expand this. I might need to move the computer around later on, but expand it until I think that looks similar to the size of the keyboard. It might be a TV that you're doing, or an Xbox, and that is how we can scale and resize things. And yet I might have to annoyingly go back and do a few final kind of moves on the key, on the kind of green and the red axes, just to make sure that everything is sat where it should be. And if I'm not happy, then I can always just move it a little bit further that way, so it's in that corner as perfect as can be. Okay, so what I want you to do now is input as much furniture as you can. You'll need to be clever with how you search, and all you need to do is go back up to the components, and then you can start typing in the next one and the next one.